Aloha everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you what some of Maui's most popular beaches look like from the air right now. You see, ever since the big storms passed over us on Maui, I've been getting a lot of people asking the same question. They all want to know if now is still a good time to visit Maui. Well, the short answer is 100% yes. Now is a great time to travel to Maui. If anything, it's even more beautiful now than it was before the rain. And the local economy would appreciate your support. But I don't want to just tell you, I want to show you with some proof. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick drone tour of some of Maui's most well-known beaches. Let's jump right into it. We're going to start on Maui's south side. This is Makena's Big Beach. Now, Big Beach does live up to its name, as it is one of the widest beaches on all of Maui, and it's considered Maui's largest undeveloped beach. Since it's so wide and there's no hotels on the beach, it rarely feels crowded, even when the parking lot is full. But what I really like about Big Beach is that aqua blue water that you see right off the white sandy beach. One word of caution though, the short break at Big Beach can get pretty intense, so do be careful when playing in the water here. From here, we're going to work our way to the north, going through Wailea, Kihei, Kaanapali, Lahaina, and Kapalua to give you a perspective of a lot of different areas. I will provide timestamps in the description in case you want to jump ahead to the location that is of most interest to you. That being said, all of these beaches are beautiful in their own way, so if you want to enjoy some beautiful scenery, I think they're all worth watching. Next, we're going to take a look at the resort area at Wailea. We're flying right over the top of Polo Beach. The resorts that you see straight ahead are Polo Beach Club and the Fairmont Kealani. This is also the area where the Wailea Beach Path starts. You can actually see the path winding along the coastline in front of the buildings with the red roofs. Those buildings are private residences in the Wailea Point community. The beach that you see on the other side of Wailea Point is Wailea Beach. The first resort that we'll fly past on Wailea Beach is the Four Seasons, which will then be followed by the Grand Wailea, and at the end of the beach is where you'll find Wailea Beach Villas. By the way, if you appreciate this unique perspective of what's really happening here on Maui, make sure to like the video and subscribe for future updates. Next, we're headed to Kihei, and in this clip, we're going to fly past all three of the Kamaole beaches. The first beach we see here is Cam 3, and as we continue to spin, we'll fly right next to Cam 2. If you've been watching my storm videos, you probably saw all the damage to South Kihei Road. The road along this beach did receive significant damage from the storms, but as you can see, the beach here is perfect. The mid-rise buildings at the end of the beach are the Hale Pauhana and the Royal Mauian. Royal Mauian is one of my favorite beachfront condo complexes on Maui. It is in hotel zoning, so it won't be affected by the infamous Bill 9 that aims to phase out about half of Maui's short-term rentals. It's also located on a rocky shoreline, which helps protect from beach erosion. The final beach we'll fly past is Kamaole I Beach. I really love how walkable this area is for travelers. In fact, it's the area where I own one of my short-term rentals here on Maui as well. By the way, I know there's a lot of people that are new to the channel, so if you're looking for experienced real estate representation, whether you're a buyer or a seller, I have been a successful real estate broker here on the island for over 11 years, and I'm also an investor myself. So feel free to reach out to me directly if you have any questions about real estate on Maui, and either myself or somebody from my team will respond right away. Okay, the next beach we're going to take a look at is up on Maui's west side. This is Lahaina, and we're going to fly right past Baby Beach. Straight ahead is the neighborhood that I lived in at the time of the Lahaina fire. So, of course, I am biased, but Baby Beach has always been one of my favorite beaches on all of Maui. The water here is only waist deep for a long distance. And it's known for having some of the island's calmest waters because of the long offshore reef that blocks the waves, which almost creates a natural swimming pool. I'm curious to hear which Maui beach is your favorite. Is it a beach that's going to be shown in this video, or is it a completely different one? Let me know in the comments. And if I get enough comments about a beach that is not in this video, I'll go record a drone tour of that beach for you as well. From here, you can see Kaanapali off in the distance, which is where we're headed next. This is Kaanapali Beach, and straight ahead is Black Rock, where you'll find the Sheraton Hotel. Every evening at sunset, the Sheraton Maui does a cliff diving ceremony right here off of Black Rock. As you can see, the beach here is busy, as people are out enjoying another perfect Maui day. And that's not surprising at all, because Kaanapali Beach was named America's best beach by past travel magazines. Straight ahead is another one of my favorite hotel-zoned, individually owned condos here on Maui, the Wailea Resort. Now, Kaanapali Beach was originally developed in the 1960s as Maui's first major resort area. The entire beach has a paved walking area connecting all the major resorts, restaurants, and shopping. This was Maui's original resort beach. Before Wailea, before Kapalua, this is where it all started. We're now flying past the Westin Maui Resort and Spa, and just past that is another one of my favorite beachfront resorts that's in hotel zoning and individually owned here on Maui, the Kaanapali I. Just past the Kaanapali I is the Marriott Resort, and as we round the corner, you can actually see Lahaina off in the distance. Next, we're going to jump up to the far northwest corner of Maui in Kapalua. The beach you see straight ahead with the perfect crescent shape is Kapalua Bay, which is partially protected from the winds and the waves by the lava rock points on both sides. Straight ahead is another one of my favorites, the Montage at Kapalua Bay, one of the most luxurious and prestigious properties not only on Maui, but in all of Hawaii. And last but certainly not least, I want to show you another one of my favorite beaches here in Kapalua. This beach is known as Ironwoods. The property that we're flying past right now is Kapalua Bay Villas, and as you can see, there is a hiking trail that connects to a beach path that, in my opinion, is one of the most scenic hikes on all of Maui. Just look how green and lush this area looks now. Just a few months ago, we were in drought conditions. So again, the whole point of this video is to show you that not only is Maui not destroyed after the storms, it's actually even more beautiful than it was before. So please share this video with anyone you know who wants to see what's really happening here on Maui, beyond just the dramatic storm videos and headlines. And if you really want to support the work that I do on this channel, consider joining as a member. I'll share links to the membership options in the description. Thanks so much for your continued support, and I hope to see you all on the next video. Aloha.